Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to do a short video on this Polaris Ranger UTV. It's a 500 EFI. We're going to do a video over the headlight system. I had found a place where I could get the LED headlights, and they're not on right at the moment, but they come with direct fit. And of course, we'll see how it looks. I want to turn the switch on here and give it a go. Okay, there you go, YouTube. That's the brand new LED. I found them on eBay. I will do some pictures of showing where I bought them from, and hopefully you can use them for your UTV if you're having trouble finding them. I really like them. They got rid of the old halogen and they were a lot dimmer. So as you can see, it's even showing up there. Anyway, that's a short video. Hope you like it, and I hope it helps you out finding a LED for your UTV. This is a mid-size UTV, by the way. Give me a like, and thanks for watching.